Welcome to Lesson 7. If you haven't downloaded the sample data for free, you can find the link in the description. Today we will learn how to transform a long and fragile risk classification formula into a reusable logic engine using the Lambda function. This lesson shows us how to convert a multi-condition formula into a clean and automated function called RiskFlag. We begin with the raw formula demonstration. In our sheet, region is in cell B3, quantity is in cell B4, and department is in cell B5. The raw formula result is displayed in cell B7. This formula uses nested if and then logic to classify risk levels based on region, quantity, and department. The raw formula in cell B7 is long and difficult to maintain. It is written as if error, if, and, B3 equals west, B4 100, B5 equals OPS, high risk, if, and, B3 equals east, B4 50, medium risk, low risk, comma, low risk. This formula works, but it is not reusable and it is not easy to update. Now we introduce the Lambda function. The Lambda definition is placed in cell B11. This cell shows the full logic wrapped inside a Lambda structure. The purpose of this step is to teach us how the logic becomes a reusable function. The Lambda formula in cell B11 is written as Lambda, region, quantity, department, if error, if, and, region equals west, quantity, 100, department equals ops, high risk, if, and, region equals east, quantity, 50, medium risk, low risk, low risk. This formula cannot run inside a cell directly, but it is the exact logic that will be stored inside the name manager. Next, let us open the name manager. We will click Formulas, then Name Manager, then New. In the name field we will type RiskFlag. In the refers to field we will paste the full Lambda formula exactly as shown in cell B11. Once the we clicks OK, Excel registers RiskFlag as a workbook scoped function. This means that we can now call RiskFlag anywhere in the workbook just like sum or x lookup. This is the moment Excel becomes a logic engine. Now we demonstrate the automation magic. In our sheet, region is in cell B15, quantity is in cell B16, and department is in cell B17. The automated result is displayed in cell B19. This is where the we sees the power of the Lambda function. The automated formula in cell B19 is written as RiskFlag, B15 B16 B17. This single line replaces the entire long formula from cell B7. It is clean, readable, and reusable. Isn't this amazing? To reinforce the concept, let us do some changing to the values in B15, B16, or B17 which instantly updates the result in B19. The logic is now centralized inside the name manager. We no longer need to edit formulas across multiple sheets. This lesson teaches us that Lambda is not about making formulas shorter. It is about making Excel behave like a real system. It is about automation, clarity, and maintainability. RiskFlag is the first custom function in their Excel toolkit. We learned 3 things. First, how to identify a long formula that needs simplification. Second, how to wrap the logic inside a Lambda. Third, how to register the function inside the name manager and call it anywhere in the workbook. This is Lesson 7, there are 50 lessons in this series, subscribe to follow along. Next will be Lesson 8 Text Manipulation.